So when I was a kid, I really wanted, there was like two things that I really wanted, and that is one, the Power Rangers Mighty Morphin, what is it, like a belt buckle or whatever, like had all the powers of a Power Ranger. They were like really cool, and you'd put them like this and you'd yell whatever your name was, so I think. And the second thing was a Pokeball, and I mean I was a huge fan of Pokemon when it first came out, and I remember in school and I had was it like a Game Boy Color maybe or something at the time, and you'd gather Pokemon, you know the concept of Pokemon. And then we had link cables, we hooked up to each other's Game Boys, and then we could trade and fight. It was awesome. And now I realized I have a 3D printer. There's a bunch of great 3D models of these Pokemon balls that people have done. This is the Pokeball design I printed. It's designed by Intentional 3D. A while back I actually printed a Pokeball for myself. The overly edited picture right here of it. My friend Estefannie commented on the Pokeball I posted on Instagram saying that she would really want one, so I figured let's make one for her, send it over, she can incorporate it into some sort of cool project. And that's exactly what we've done here. But here we go, let's print and assemble a Pokeball for Estefannie. We'll just see what she comes up with. So here it is, the finished print. It opens up with the push of a button, it closes, it's sealed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you head over to Estefannie's channel to kind of see the result of the ball project. She's got so many great projects using Raspberry Pis, LEDs, screens, Arduinos, all the stuff that I really enjoy watching. If you have any idea of a cool project that you could do, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it, make sure you subscribe, you know, the drill. Peace! I don't know if peace is my sign off. I don't know. I haven't figured out. No.